The 2026 Kenworth Double Decker Motorhome is an impressive blend of heavy-duty truck engineering and luxurious living space. Built on the rugged and reliable Kenworth truck chassis, this motorhome is designed for those who want the comfort of a full-sized home combined with the mobility and toughness of a commercial vehicle. Its double-decker design immediately grabs your attention, not just for its size, but for the innovative use of space that transforms the way we think about motorhomes. Starting with the exterior, the Kenworth Double Decker boasts a commanding presence on the road. Stretching close to 40 feet in length, it maintains Kenworth's signature strong and aerodynamic styling. The front grille is large and unmistakable, reflecting the brand's heritage in trucking. What's remarkable is how Kenworth has managed to balance form and function. While it looks bold and robust, the aerodynamics help optimize fuel efficiency, a crucial aspect for such a large vehicle. The paint finishes are high quality and weather resistant, designed to withstand long journeys across various climates. One of the most noticeable features is the double-decker layout itself. Instead of the usual single-level design common to most motorhomes, this one stacks its living quarters vertically. This design effectively doubles the living area without increasing the footprint on the road. The lower deck generally houses the kitchen, dining area, bathroom, and lounging spaces, while the upper deck is reserved for bedrooms and private quarters. This separation creates a natural flow and privacy, something many motorhome owners crave when traveling with family or friends. Moving to the interior, the quality and craftsmanship inside the Kenworth Double Decker Motorhome feel more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The use of premium materials, think leather upholstery, polished wood trims, and modern fixtures, creates an inviting atmosphere. The spaciousness afforded by the double-decker design means there's room for amenities often found in high-end homes. A full kitchen with stainless steel appliances, ample counter space, a large refrigerator, and even a washer-dryer combo. The lounge area on the lower deck is designed for comfort and relaxation, featuring plush seating that can easily accommodate a group. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, giving you great views no matter where you park. The layout is intelligently crafted to maximize usable space without feeling cramped, a challenge in motorhome design that Kenworth has handled with finesse. Upstairs, the bedrooms offer a retreat from the road. The master suite is spacious, with a king-sized bed, built-in closets, and smart storage solutions to keep belongings organized. Some versions of the double-decker even include a second bedroom or office space, perfect for families or those who work remotely. The bathrooms on both decks are thoughtfully designed with modern fixtures, spacious showers, and efficient water management systems to ensure comfort and convenience on the road. Performance-wise, the Kenworth Double Decker Motorhome is powered by a heavy-duty diesel engine, typically a turbocharged inline-six, delivering robust torque and power needed for such a large vehicle. This engine ensures smooth highway cruising and the ability to handle steep inclines or uneven terrain without strain. The transmission is usually an automatic with advanced electronic controls, making driving more manageable despite the motorhome's size. The chassis and suspension system are engineered for stability and comfort. Even on bumpy roads, the ride remains relatively smooth thanks to air suspension setups, which also help in leveling the motorhome when parked. The braking system is equipped with advanced safety features, including ABS and stability control, essential when maneuvering a double-decker weighing several tons. Fuel efficiency in a vehicle of this size is always a consideration. While it won't match smaller RVs or camper vans, Kenworth's attention to aerodynamics and efficient engine technology means the double-decker is more economical than you might expect for its class. Expect around 6 to 8 miles per gallon, which is respectable given the space and features you get. Another unique selling point is the level of technology integrated into this motorhome. Kenworth has equipped the double-decker with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that supports navigation, smartphone connectivity, and entertainment options for passengers on both decks. Driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring enhance safety on long drives. The motorhome also includes extensive storage solutions both inside and out. Exterior compartments are designed to hold everything from outdoor gear to tools and extra supplies, making it easy to pack for extended trips. Inside, clever cabinetry and hidden compartments maximize every inch of available space. One practical highlight is the onboard power and water systems. The The double-decker is usually outfitted with large freshwater tanks, gray and black water holding tanks, and advanced filtration system.